If you're a new EV owner, you're about to avoid the 10 mistakes that embarrass people at chargers, kill range, and waste hours. Because EVs don't punish you for owning one, they punish you for not knowing a few simple rules. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact habits that make your EV feel easy. And at the end, I'll show you the one battery rule that prevents panic drives with 3% left. Alright, let's make you an EV pro starting today. Tip 1. Stop charging like a phone. Most new owners charge their EV like a phone. 0%, then 100% every time. That's not the best habit for most EV batteries. A smarter daily routine is simple. Keep it comfortably in the middle most days, and only go full when you actually need it for a trip. Some automakers even say it's fine, better actually, to leave the car plugged in when parked so the battery stays managed and ready. Tesla, for example, literally recommends leaving the car plugged in when not in use. The mindset shift is this: your EV isn't a gadget, it's a machine that loves steady routines. Tip 2. Learn the 3 charging speeds, or you'll waste hours. There are 3 levels of charging, and knowing this saves you time instantly. Level 1 is the slow one, usually a normal household outlet, good if you drive small distances daily. Level 2 is the sweet spot for most people: home, workplace, or public stations. This is what makes EV life feel smooth. DC fast charging is the road trip tool. Amazing on highways, not your daily food. The mistake new owners make is trying to live on public fast chargers like it's normal gas stations. It's not. The win is level 2 at home or work equals stress-free EV life. Tip 3. Your car has a hidden range thief you control. Let's talk about the biggest range thief: temperature control. Heat and AC can cut range more than people expect. Some EV buyer guides estimate heavy AC use can reduce range by around the high teens in certain conditions. So what do smart EV owners do? They don't suffer. They get strategic. Use heated seats when it's cold. Use EcoClimate if your car has it. And don't blast the cabin like it's a revenge mission, because every extra comfort setting pulls energy from the same place your wheels drink from. Tip 4. Precondition or pay the slow charge tax. Remember when I said I'd show you how to make fast charging feel faster? Here it is: preconditioning. In simple words, warming or cooling the battery to the temperature it likes best. In extreme heat or cold, EVs can charge slower. The EPA specifically points out that preconditioning can help, and many cars will do it automatically if you navigate to a DC fast charger using the built-in navigation. So the move is, before you fast charge, don't just drive there. Navigate there using the car's system. That can trigger battery prep so you arrive ready to drink power fast. Most new owners skip this, then blame the charger. Tip 5. Winter range drop is real. Plan for it like an adult. If you live anywhere that gets cold, this is non-negotiable. Cold weather can cut EV range hard. EA shared research showing the average EV's range dropped about 41% at around 20 degrees Fahrenheit with the heater running. So how do you beat winter? Preheat while plugged in. Warm cabin plus battery before you drive. Keep speeds reasonable. Don't arrive at a fast charger with a frozen battery. Use navigation plus preconditioning. Tip 6. Tire pressure is a secret range boost. This one feels boring, but it makes a real difference. EVs are heavier than many gas cars. They also deliver instant torque. That means tires matter more. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. That can reduce efficiency and range, and it wears tires faster. EV tire experts and reporting have warned that new EV drivers should pay attention to the recommended tire pressure and keep it right. The move is simple. Check tire pressure regularly. Use the door sticker numbers, not what feels right. This is the cheapest range upgrade you'll ever get. Tip 7. Public charging is not plug and pray. Public charging works until it doesn't. Apps glitch. Stations are busy. Some connectors don't match your car. So here's the rule: always have 2 backup options. Before a longer drive, know your primary charger stop, your backup charger nearby, and your if everything fails option. Also, learn your connector type and what adapters you may need. Even official guides explain that fast charging ports and connectors can vary by vehicle, and standardization is improving but not perfect. And one more: when you're done charging, move. Not because people are mean, because charging spots are like bathrooms. You don't camp there. Tip 8. Don't use an extension cord to charge at home. This tip is pure safety. A lot of new owners do this once. They plug the charger into an extension cord just for tonight. Bad idea. Multiple safety documents and home charging guidance warn against using extension cords for EV charging. It can overheat, it can be unsafe, and it's not worth it. If you need home charging convenience, do it properly. Use a proper outlet. Use certified equipment. Install a dedicated level 2 if you can. This isn't fear. This is preventing a problem that ruins your week or worse. Tip 9. The fastest EV drivers aren't fast. They're smooth. EVs are quick. That first punch of acceleration feels like magic. But if you drive like you're launching a rocket at every green light, your efficiency suffers. The best EV habit is smooth driving, gentle acceleration, predict traffic, use regenerative braking smartly, avoid last-second heavy braking. Regenerative braking is basically getting some energy back when you slow down. It's not unlimited free power, but it helps. If you master smooth driving, 3 things happen: better range, less tire wear, less stress. This is the tip that saves you from panic, because one day it will happen. You'll look down and you'll be lower than you planned. So decide your rule now while you're calm. A smart beginner rule is, don't treat your battery like a dare. Don't wait for almost zero. When you hit your personal threshold, maybe around the low zone, start moving toward charging. Why? Because EV charging isn't always instant like gas. A station can be full, or broken, or the weather can slow charging. Also, many owner manuals encourage staying plugged in when parked and letting the car manage itself, because battery management is a system, not just a number on a screen. So here's your simple no panic plan. Keep daily charging routine. Don't run it down to the edge. Always know your nearest backup charger. In cold weather, add extra buffer. If you follow just this one tip, you'll never do the white knuckle crawl to a charger again. Now you've got the 10 tips that make EV ownership feel easy. If this video saved you even one headache, hit like, subscribe, and comment. What EV do you drive and what surprised you most after buying it?